Mind mapping is a powerful tool for organizing and visualizing information. It allows you to create diagrams that show the relationships between different ideas, concepts, and data points. By using mind maps, you can quickly see how different pieces of information fit together, which can help you make better decisions and solve complex problems. To create a mind map, start by writing down your main idea in the center of the page. Then, branch out from that central idea with related subtopics or supporting details. You can use colors, symbols, and images to make your mind map more visually appealing and easier to understand. Mind mapping is a flexible technique that can be used for a wide range of purposes, including brainstorming, planning, note-taking, and studying.